What's up, guys?
Guys, we are in Colorado. We are going to do a new series called Colorful Colorado. It is spring break. We're going to be here for the next 5 days. Our first stop is in Garden of the Gods. Hey, if you guys haven't, hit the subscribe button. All right? Make sure that you check out some of our other videos.
Ring that bell too.
That's right. Ring the bell so you get notifications. Let's see what Colorado has to offer.
Let's go, guys.
Balanced Rock. We're on the back side of Garden of the Gods. The front side is kind of where all the rock climbers go and stuff. But this is Balanced Rock. It is 700 tons, and it's been sitting there
for thousands of years.
For thousands of years, just holding up like that.
Pretty cool.
It's so cool. What the heck? So we're just totally walking around, exploring God's playground. What's up, guys? One of the best places to eat lunch in Denver is at one of our favorite spots. We've been here multiple times, probably 4 or 5 times. It is called Tocabe. It is a Native American eatery. It's like Chipotle, so you kind of walk in line. They have multiple things like kind of like a burrito bowl. What they're known for is their fried bread, and then you cover it with a bunch of toppings. My favorite is the shredded buffalo. It is so good, guys. Really great prices. You gotta come and check it out. Delicious food. Do yourself a favor, come to Tocabe. So we've had a awesome day so far. We hit up Garden of the Gods this morning. We went to one of our favorite restaurants. What else? We kind of drove through downtown Denver, and then we made our way to our hotel for the night. We are now in Estes Park, which is home to the amazing Rocky Mountain National Park. So we're actually gonna go on a hike right now. So we're about to get in the park. Hopefully we can get some pretty good views. It's a little cloudy, but just from what we've seen driving up, it's gonna be pretty incredible. So we're here for the next day and a half. So we got a lot of fun stuff planned. Let's get into it, people.
What's going on? Heading out to Dream Lake. Gonna make our way first to Bear, then Dream. It's a little cold and chilly right now, but this is why you prepare. Make sure you bring layers on trips. You never know what you're gonna encounter. We happen to get a little bit of a impromptu flurry. It's very pretty out here, but
we're here at Dream Lake. It was maybe about 0.5 mile hike. Not bad at all, but
Yeah, it's
we
like a
are
mile.
literally, as you can see, in the snow.
We're standing on the lake right now.
Yeah. Pretty
Kelsey
sure.
feels a little eerie about it, I'm sure.
Yeah, I don't really want to fall in and freeze myself. But anyway, behind us, you cannot see it, but there is a huge mountain.
Huge mountain.
So hopefully tomorrow when we do a hike, it'll be a little clearer and you'll be able to see more of the mountains. But I mean,
This shows our dedication.
this is pretty cool though.
We're here for the viewer.
We got to hike in the snow. It's literally like it's a winter wonderland right now.
We're like in Narnia, people. So yeah.
Here we are. Come up to Dream Lake. It's really cool in the winter.
Yeah,
for
you guys
sure.
gotta come. This is amazing. Like, I'll never forget being in this snowstorm, standing on a lake. Oh, guys, my belly's so happy. Is your belly happy? We are here at Smokin' Dave's Barbecue. Kelsey and I came here on our anniversary trip, and we knew we had to take the guys here. And I think they were pleased. This place is so good.
It was so good.
Yeah. Get the pulled pork, the brisket, and the sausage. Thank me later. Okay? Prices are good, atmosphere's good, they're really chill. We're just finishing up the night pretty much for this day's end of the vlog. We are going back to the room, and they have a hot tub. So I'm not sure.
30-degree weather.
I'm not sure if Nathan's getting that or not. Nathan's getting that, so we'll sign off at the hot tub. You can see us in our chubbiness.
I'm bringing this meal.
But until then, I'm gonna try and look skinny after all this food that I ate. So.
See you guys.
So we just finished hot tub night. I'm still really bloated from barbecue. I try to flex on them. Yeah. Pudge. So now we're running back to our room, and it's
snowing.
freezing.
It's snowing.
So here we go. You'll need to wish us luck as we. Oh, what are you gonna do? Run through the snow? So that concludes today's vlog. Everyone say goodbye.
Hey everyone, The Journey here. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.